Merry meet everyone, happy new moon. I'm so excited for this ritual, guys, because it is so long overdue for my soul. With Goddess Nyx's blessing, I received this spell that I created at like the brink of like nighttime, like 2 in the morning I believe it was, or 1:30. I received this spell and I was able to create it. So we're going to be doing major heart healing tonight, guys, healing of your soul. So along my little spiritual journey, guys, I share a little bit with you. It's been so amazing. There's so many blessings that's happened 2 years ago, but it's like yin and yang. We're incarnated down in this world, guys, as many of you know, because of karma. We came here to grow, evolve, and clear it, and through this, there's been like, spiritual awakening is a beautiful thing, but it's also a messy, sad, scary thing too. There's a lot of blessings that have come my way through the spiritual awakening, as a lot of heartbreak, just sadness, and like loneliness as well too. So throughout my spiritual awakening, guys, like I've said, I've had a lot of blessings and beautiful things happen, but so much sadness as well. Learning about my spiritual mission, my twin flame, and all the like sadness and wounds that have been open, and ripped open again and again. So my heart just honestly can't take any more, guys, so I'm going to be healing it tonight. Going back in time and reactivating as soon as the second my soul was born, being pure, free, like just being neutral, like before any hurt or anything could have happened, is what we're going to be doing tonight, guys. So let's tap into that beautiful new moon energy and get this going. We got all the green candles going right now, guys. We got all the heart chakra vibes, so let's just go ahead and cast a circle. Gonna bless my crystal wand and some beautiful cleansing smoke. Gonna make sure that my bracelets are cleansed, all my jewelry. I'm definitely working with the heart chakra energy, guys, wearing green. All my green bracelets right now, having all that heart chakra energy. So before you know what, I do my circle, I'm gonna bless my space with some holy water, and I'm gonna anoint with some heart chakra essential oil potion from Athena, from Sage Goddess. It's called Anahata, and I believe that's for the heart chakra. So I'm gonna be anointing myself with the heart chakra blend, guys, on my wrists. I would do a little bit on my third eye, but I got makeup on, so we'll do the heart chakra, or the crown chakra. We'll do my feet, and we'll bless some of the crystals that I'm wearing. I recommend working with all the green energy you got, guys. Green candles, green crystals, all the heart chakra stuff. You guys can use whatever you got. So long story short, before I cast the circle, I should tell you guys what I got going on. We got all the heart crystals, guys, all crystals in the shape of a heart, and black kyanite for like cleansing, clearing. We got this in the middle because we're working with the heart chakra, guys. So I have a clear quartz heart, a rose quartz heart, a labradorite heart, a celestine heart, selenite hearts around that, and I got a little heart that's for the 7 chakras. I have pink amethyst with a piece of moldavite, so to amplify that energy. And I also have a piece of cobalt, C-O-B-A-L-T, I can't pronounce it, guys. That's supposed to be a major heart healer too. So we got all of this energy with the greens, the selenite, the cleansing incense, and little pieces of sage right here, and more adventuring here, adventuring there. We got green calcite along the line of my plant. We got all the green vibes going, guys. So I kind of basically set up a little grid for like a little mini altar right here. So basically, guys, I got a mini crystal grid in the middle of my table. So I got like all the green energy going up, and then all my crystals around it to like work on that energy to shoot towards my heart chakra. I also have this green candle here, guys, from the Witch's Bounty subscription box. I love it. I'm so happy to finally use it. So let's get into this ritual, guys. I basically told you what I got going on my altar. Now time to do that protective circle. I wish I just had my Book of Shadows so I could just read a spell to cast it. So in this time and space, I call upon the beautiful new moon's grace. Goddess Nyx, drop down your beautiful beams into my wand, so mote it be. I'm gonna draw the circle around me, guys. Pop down my wand. Elemental force of earth, Earth Mother Gia, I call upon you in this time and space. Bring forth to me all your beautiful heart healing medicine. I welcome it within my circle. Elemental force of air, please bring forth beautiful healing energy from you to help clear my heart of all sadness and bring in that divine love and wisdom. Elemental force of fire, ignite the spark and fire within my heart chakra. Beautiful green flames from Terra Buddha's heavens be present within my circle. Elemental force of water, water from Goddess Nyx's sacred groves, her beautiful lake, come down into my circle. I call upon you to wash away all sadness from my heart and bring back that divine love. Elemental force of spirit, connecting us to source, to God, to Goddess Nyx. Goddess Nyx, please bring forth the beautiful energy of spirit into my circle to reignite the divine spark within my heart and heal it from the beginning of time. Let it be reactivated from whence I was born and created. So mote it be. So earth, air, fire, water, spirit, be present with me within my circle. Archangel Michael, Archangel Uriel, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Raphael, and Archangel Metron be present with me within my circle as well. God and all the ascended masters be present with me within my circle. Goddess Nyx and the elements, please work with me to create my magic, and no negative energy evil is allowed within my sacred space, so mote it be. Okay guys, we got our beautiful magical circle cast. Let's get into our heart healing. So I set the intention while I'm working on healing my heart in this ritual. May some of this go to help heal your guys' heart, to those of you who have been hurt from your past lives to your present life to your current situation right now, whatever's troubling your heart. So this is the spell, guys. I'm gonna link this spell in the description box and the comment section down below. So let's just start, guys. I set I got all the heart chakra energy on my table, and I'm just gonna set the intention of it shooting into my heart. So all of you beautiful magical crystals and green energy shoot right into my heart chakra and send healing, so mote it be. So let's read this beautiful spell from Goddess Nyx, guys. Deep within my soul, from the beginning of time, I invoke the balance of harmony to now align every part of my essence from soul to vessel to all of my entirety, every part of me wherever I may be. I wash you with divine love in God's golden light. I reignite my soul to the beginning of my creation. I am now healed and realigned, my soul at peace and now my mind at ease. God, thank you. Now may I walk on my highest path in alignment with my soul mission to complete another chapter in your love always. Blessed be. And I wrote to repeat this 3 times, guys, to get the full effect. Deep within my soul, from the beginning of my time, I invoke the balance of harmony to now align every part of my essence from soul to vessel, all of my entirety, every part of me wherever I may be. I wash you with divine love in God's golden light. I reignite my soul to the beginning of my creation. I am now healed and realigned, my soul at peace and now my mind at ease. God, thank you, and now may I walk on my highest path in alignment with my soul mission to complete another chapter in your love always. Blessed be. One more time, guys. Deep within my soul, from the beginning of my time, I invoke the balance of harmony to now align every part of my essence from soul to vessel to all of my entirety, every part of me wherever I may be. I wash you with divine love in God's golden light. I reignite my soul to the beginning of my creation. I am now healed and realigned, my soul at peace and my mind now at ease. God, thank you, and now may I walk on my highest path in alignment with my soul mission to complete another chapter in your love always. Blessed be. And so it is. So that is the spell, guys. Definitely recite it. I'll link it in the description box down below. And now you can just meditate with the energy of the beautiful space that you created and shoot that heart healing energy into you. You can imagine your heart chakra being unblocked and imagine that green disc right here just spinning fast, and just imagine that green energy just shooting bright and just all that good stuff, any blockages just disintegrating. You guys can call upon Terra Bodhisattva too, the green Terra of her. Her mantra is Om Tare Tu Tare Ture Soha, and you can work with that. You guys can recite the Heart Sutra from Quan Chi and Pusa. I think I'm gonna recite one of those with you guys next to help heal that heart. We need all that heart healing energy, guys, so I think we're gonna do that next. And once you're done with doing your spell, doing some mantras and some meditative healing work on your heart chakra, just spend time with us and just soak in that green energy that your heart really needs. Well, I really need with this ritual if you clicked on it. So I'm gonna grab my prayer wheel and let's do that Heart Sutra. My prayer wheel's right here. How funny, guys. So what I'm gonna do is I want my incense to burn a little bit more, so we're gonna go ahead and readjust this. There we go, guys. Get my prayer wheel some cleansing. So let's recite this sutra. Avalokiteshvara Bodhisattva, when practicing the profound Prajnaparamita, perceived that the 5 skandhas are empty and thereby became free from all suffering. O Sariputra, form is none other than emptiness. Emptiness is no different than form. Form is emptiness. Emptiness is form. The same is true with perception, conception, volition, and consciousness. O Sariputra, all dharmas are characterized by dependence upon causation. They are neither created nor do they perish. They are neither defiled nor immaculate, neither increasing nor decreasing. Therefore in emptiness there is no form, no perception, no conception, no volition, no consciousness. No eye, ear, nose, tongue, body, or mind, no form, sound, smell, taste, touch, or object of mind. No realm with the eyes, up to no realm of consciousness, no ignorance nor its extinction, up to no age and death nor the extinction. There is no suffering, no cause of suffering, no extinction, no path, no wisdom, and also no attainment, because there is no object to be obtained. The Bodhisattva, they practicing Prajnaparamita, have no obstacles in the mind. Having no obstacles in the mind, they overcome fear, ultimately realizing nirvana. All Buddhas of the past, present, and future, relying on Prajnaparamita, attain Anuttara Samyasambhuti. Therefore one should know that Prajnaparamita is the great, bright, unsurpassed, and unequaled mantra, the shore of all suffering, the truth. A mantra Prajnaparamita should therefore be proclaimed. This is the mantra Gate Gate Pragate Persagate Bodhisattva. Please Guanxin Pusa help heal my heart chakra as well as help healing everyone who is watching my video right now's heart chakra as well with the prayers that I've recited, with the magnification of this prayer wheel. When I'm saying this, guys, I just saw like a black shadow try to come into my circle, like some karmic energy right now, so I'm gonna work on clearing that. Ves matos incendia, negative energy trying to invade my sacred space, I banish you with the light of my grace. By the power of the new moon, I call in this time and space, and the element of earth, air, fire, water, and spirit, and the most powerful magic of all, love, the element of love and the heart chakra energy. Evil that I see trying to enter my space, I vanquish you now in this time and space, so mote it be. Whether if that was like interference for me or like you guys watching getting help, and vanquishing all that evil stuff that I saw, just like a black shadow thing tried to like enter my circle, but it like couldn't, guys. It was like right here and it's like, oh, can't enter. So I call upon my 30,000 blue flame angels to help me vanquish any evil energy that is trying to lurk around. My spirit guides, Guardian Angel John, Spirit Guide Grace, Malut Virtue, my beautiful spiritual team, please be with me, help me vanquish the evil energy. Goddess Nyx, Colonel Ambrose, the Black Bull, please be present with me too. Help me enhance my magic and clear away that evil stuff while I do my heart healing ritual work, so mote it be. So we got that done, guys. I'm gonna recite Tara Bodhisattva's mantra a little bit too to work on more of that heart healing to raise our vibration back. So another good thing, guys, would be to work on healing your lower chakras, to opening up your heart chakra, to opening your crown chakra too. So, Om Tare Tu Tare Ture Soha, Om Tare Tu Tare Ture Soha, Om Tare Tu Tare Ture Soha, Om my posture to the goddess Voja Destroyer, living Lady Terra, Om homage Terra Servinus Hiron Tu Tare, dispelling all fears, granting all benefits are true, to her with San Soha I bow. Om Tare Tu Tare Ture Soha, Om Tare Tu Tare Ture Soha, Om Tare Tu Tare Ture Soha, Om Tare Tu Tare Ture Mama Ayu Punya Jana Pushtim Kuriya Soha, Om Tare Tu Tare Ture Mama Ayu Punya Jana Pushtim Kuriya Soha, Om Tare Tu Tare Ture Mama Ayu Punya Jana Pushtim Kuriya Soha. And since Amitabha is her consort, I'm going to say a little bit of Amitabha's mantra too. Om Amidevase, Om Amidevase, Om Amidevase, Om Amidevase, Om Amidevase, Namo Amitabha Bodhisattva, Namo Amitabha Bodhisattva, Namo Amitabha Bodhisattva. Please, Tara Bodhisattva and Amitabha Bodhisattva, help heal my heart space, my heart chakra, as well as the viewers who are watching this. May we be healed in your loving embrace. So mote it be. And the last thing, guys, who started my spiritual awakening and journey was Siddhikabhara Bodhisattva. And the most powerful thing was me writing his name down and chanting it in my head. So I'm going to give a little bit of respect to him and ask for his help to help us. Please, Siddhikabhara Bodhisattva, help heal our heart space, help us become whole again, and my viewers too. Namo Siddhikabhara Bodhisattva, 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 Namo Siddhikabhara Bodhisattva. Blessed be, please help us, Ascended Masters. You guys can also ask Archangel Raphael for help too. He's a archangel with healing and with that green energy. You just want to work with beings with that green vibe, or the ones that, like Tara has 21 different versions of her. Call on the green version of her to help you guys. So, I feel like we did some Ascended Master work. Let's see. I want to get this thing burning a little bit more, guys. There we go, we got the instant going. Heal that heart chakra. So we did some sutras, prayers, and spell, guys. I would definitely recommend using some sage too, because we're doing major heart healing. This video is definitely, I didn't say it in the beginning guys, but if your heart has been wounded and hurt so much to the point to where it's basically broken, like dead, numb, you got no heart left. So I hope this is definitely going to help you guys out. And you can always like meditate with your crystals. These are like my major heart healing crystals, my cobalt, moldavite, and pink amethyst that my friend got me, and I just like keep it here. I got a moldavite necklace on under my shirt guys too, and you just want to just focus on that healing of your heart and working a lot with that element of earth too, and earth mother Gia, that green energy. So it's just like, element of earth, please enter my heart space. Enter all of its entirety, cleanse it clear and whole, in mind, body, and spirit, deep within my soul. Let my green disc ignite bright. Please help me erase all of that gunk, that grossness, just absorb it all. Let it be reborn into the most positive healing light, so note it be. Just like really working on your heart, guys. And lastly, calling upon the power of the new moon in this beautiful time and space. Enter my wand and go deep within my heart space and charge it in your beautiful light. May it be whole and cleansed and healed and all that good stuff, so note it be. So just definitely doing that guys, meditating. After I turn this camera off, I'm definitely going to spend lots of time here and meditate and just do lots of deep heart healing work. So I hope this definitely inspired and helped you guys out. I'm going to open my circle for those of you who are watching, and then I'm going to recast it. I wonder how should I do it, because I still want my circle open. So my circle that I have cast, stay intact for me, but for those of you who are watching, I open the circle for those of you who are watching, but not for me in this time and space, so mote it be. So elemental force of earth, air, fire, water, and spirit, I thank you for assisting us, and to Archangel Michael, Archangel Uriel, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Raphael, Archangel Metron, God and all the ascended masters, I thank you for your help, for helping us enhance our magic and power to heal ourselves. Thank you to all of you. I open that circle, so mote it be. And definitely give thanks to everyone who helped you guys during this time, because it's a lot of collective divine help to help us heal our heart. I hope that your heart is beautiful and healed, guys. I know it's a beautiful heart. It's just gotta clean it up a little bit. We've all been hurt. And just gotta reignite that flame within ourselves and heal that green heart disc. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. By earth, by air, by fire, by water, by spirit, in the name of Goddess Nyx, may you guys be blessed and rejuvenated, so mote it be. Just sending lots of love to our heart space, and make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on those post notifications down below, guys. Merry meet, merry part, and merry meet again.